Every year, our planet faces an escalating crisis. The overwhelming amount of waste we generate, and the insufficient efforts to recycle it. Despite numerous initiatives and growing awareness, the statistics paint a troubling picture. Consider this: the world produces over 300 million tons of plastic each year. Shockingly, only about 9% of this plastic is recycled. The rest ends up in landfills, oceans, and our natural environment, where it can take hundreds of years to decompose. But plastic isn't the only problem. Paper, glass, metals, and electronic waste contribute significantly to our environmental woes. Paper makes up roughly 25% of landfill waste, despite being one of the most recyclable materials. Metals, like aluminum and steel, are infinitely recyclable, yet millions of tons end up as waste annually. E-waste, growing exponentially with our tech-driven lifestyles, contains hazardous materials that pollute our soil and water. The havoc wreaked on our ecosystems is profound. Microplastics are found in our oceans, rivers, and even in the food we eat, harming marine life and entering the human food chain. Landfills leach toxic chemicals into the soil and groundwater, endangering wildlife and human health. If we don't act now, the consequences could be catastrophic. But there is hope, and it starts with us. Every small action we take can create a ripple effect, leading to significant change. Here are 5 simple steps you can take to increase recycling and sustainability in your daily life. 1. Reduce and reuse. Before you recycle, think about reducing your waste and reusing items. Opt for reusable bags, bottles, and containers. 2. Proper sorting. Make sure to separate recyclables correctly. Contaminated recyclables often end up in landfills. Learn the recycling guidelines in your area. 3. Support recycling programs. Participate in local recycling programs and support businesses that prioritize sustainable practices. 4. Compost organic waste. Composting food scraps and yard waste reduces landfill burden and creates valuable compost for gardening. 5. Educate and advocate. Spread awareness about the importance of recycling and advocate for better waste management policies in your community. Your choices, whether big or small, have lasting impacts on our planet and future generations. By embracing these changes, we can protect our environment, conserve natural resources, and create a healthier world for all. The solution is within our grasp, and it begins with you. Make a commitment today to recycle more, waste less, and inspire others to do the same. Together, we can turn the tide and ensure a sustainable future for our planet. Let's make every action count. This is our call to action. The future is in our hands.